Checking out Christmas markets. Lanterns glow and streets alive. A giant wheel that scrapes the sky. Footsteps echo on cobblestones. Lisboa's charm welcomes Walkingbubu. The air is sweet with cinnamon. Laughter swirls, the night's begun. Wonderland in Lisboa, where the magic lights collide. A giant wheel that scrapes the sky from Rossio to the park. It's a feast for heart and eyes. Wonderland in Lisboa, bring out magic of Christmas for everyone. Booths with treasures wrapped in gold, stories shared as the night unfolds. An ice rink spins with winter's grace, dreams reflected in